We are going, okay, Timmy's family and friends. What do they call you? And we will also learn new words and the sentence pattern. Okay, so here in our lesson, I want you to listen to teacher and then look at teacher also. Okay? Home?
Okay.
Okay. So let's have the first one. Okay, what can you see in the picture? Home.
Mm, grandma, grandpa, dad, mom, uh, sister, uh, brother, uh, cousin,
Cousin. Okay, that's cousin. Okay. How many people can you see in the picture? Home?
nine.
Okay, I can see.
I can see 9 people in the picture.
Okay, very good. Okay. So, in other words, we can see a family, right? Okay. Is this a big family home or a small family?
A small family.
Okay, this one, yeah. Is this a small family?
Mm, mom, dad,
Mhm.
me, and sister.
Okay, very good. So your family is small, right? Home, is your family big or small?
Small.
Okay. What about this one? This one in the picture. Is this a big family or a small family?
Mm,
Is this a big family or small?
big.
Okay, that's right. It's a big family. So which one do you like? Who do you like, a big family or a small family?
Mm, have
Hmm?
more people.
I'm sorry? You like?
Have more people and
And huh?
funny. Funny.
Okay. So you like big family. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Because it's happy, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, so I have a question. How many people are there in your family home? How many?
Mm, 4 people in my family.
Okay, there are four. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I see. Thank you. So, whom you have a sister? You mentioned it, yes?
Yes.
Okay, you have a sister. Okay, so is your sister older than you or younger than you?
Older than me.
Okay. Oh. All right. So you have an older sister, yes?
Yeah.
How old is she home?
Mm, 18 years old.
Okay. I see. She's 18. All right. Thank you, home. Now you're going to guess the members of the family. All right. So I will put numbers. Okay, wait for a while. I'll put numbers 1, 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, let's start with number 1. Who is that member of the family? Oh, who is number 1?
Grandpa.
Okay, number 1 is grandpa. Number 2,
Number 2 is grandma.
Number 3.
Number 3 is mom.
4.
Number 4 is dad.
Yes. Number 5.
Number 5 is brother.
6.
Number 6 is young brother.
Very good. Number 7.
Number 7 is sister.
Okay. Oh, very good. I just noticed this one looks like number 6. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so this is me. This is the boy in the picture. So, does he have a big family or a small family?
Small family.
Okay, he has, one more time.
He has small family.
Okay, thank you so much. So, he has one brother, one sister, right? Okay, and his grandparents and his parents. Okay, so whom do you have questions here in this page? Do you,
Mm,
do you have questions?
member
Huh?
member of family.
Yes. What's your question, whom?
Mm,
Do you have a question?
yeah.
What's your question?
Is member of
Oh, the
family.
member. Okay. Like for example, grandma. Grandma is a member. So member is like a part. Okay, member. Member is like a part of the family or a person in the family. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, like for example, I am teacher Divine. I am a mother. I have a daughter, baby girl, and I have my husband. So I am a member of my family. My daughter is also a member. My husband is also a member. So in our family home, we have 3 members of the family. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. What about in your family home? How many members are there in your family?
I have dad. I have mom, sister, and I.
Okay. So daddy, mommy, your sister, and you, right?
Yeah.
So how many members in your family home?
4 member in my family.
4 members. Again?
4 members in my family.
Okay, thank you. Yes, very good home. Okay, so another question. Do you have another question? Do you have another question?
Yes.
Okay, what's your question?
Uh, the the member of family.
Huh? What is it home? What is it?
The member
The member?
of family.
That's your question? Yeah, member is a part of the family. A part or a person in the family. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, do you understand now? Hong, do you have another question? Do you have another question, Hong?
No.
Okay, great. Now let's move on to the next part. I want you to read, okay, this one. Your, go home, your cousin,
Mm, no.
uh, read home. Your cousin
Your
is
your cousin your cousin is the child
child.
of
Is
your
child
is the child of your aunt and or uncle.
very good. One more time. Listen. Your cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle. One more time.
Your cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle.
Okay, good. So, Fred, this one, please. Fred and,
Fred and Mary are Timmy's cousin.
okay, Timmy's cousins. Okay, so Hong, if your aunt or uncle, so when we say aunt, that's your mommy or daddy's sister. Uncle is your mommy or daddy's brother. Yes?
Yeah.
And if they have children, they are your, what are they? Who are they? They are your,
Mm,
the children of your aunt and uncle are your, eh?
cousin.
Yes, very good. So your uncle and aunt's children are your cousins. So Hong, do you have many cousins?
Mm, I have 3 cousins.
Three cousins because they are three, not three cousins. I have three cousins. Sorry. Again, I have.
I have 3 cousins.
Okay, thank you so much. So again, Hong, what are cousins?
Uh, my cousins is
No, no, no. What are
one.
cousins? Cousins are, what are cousins? Are your uncle and aunts?
Uh, uncle.
Hmm? No. Your uncle and aunt's children are your cousins. Okay? Okay, Hong?
Okay.
Okay. Now this time I want you to read. Okay. I want you to read this one. Circle Peter's cousin. So you are going to read, okay, the names here, and then you will tell me if Peter has a cousin. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Grandpa,
Grandpa, grandma, uncle, aunt, dad, mom, Sam, and Peter.
okay. So, does Peter have a cousin? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. What is, okay, his cousin's name?
Sam.
Very good. Sam is Peter's cousin. Okay. Thank you so much. Hong, yes, very good. You now know what a cousin is, right? So,
Yeah.
Hong, do you have questions?
No.
Okay, say it. No, I don't have questions.
No, I don't have question.
Okay, very good. Okay, next. We will now have the next page. Okay, we have a new word here. What is this word? Can you please read, Hong?
Na, ni,
How to read that?
yon, nai, is,
That's niece.
nai,
Niece.
nis,
Okay,
ni,
very good. Niece, niece, niece.
nis, nis, nis,
Very good. Niece.
ni,
Okay, so who is your niece? Say your niece is.
your niece is the daughter of your sister or brother.
Okay, very good. So your niece, yes, is the daughter of your sister or brother. So is a niece girl or boy? Whom?
Mm, boy,
Mm, your niece is the daughter. Huh? So is a niece a boy or a girl?
girl,
Yes, a niece is a girl. So if you're okay, so if you have a sister or a brother, so okay, their daughter is your niece. Okay, so can you read the family here? Go. Oh, we can see grandma,
grandpa,
grandpa.
grandma, uh, dad,
Yes. Sally.
mom, mm,
Yes.
uh,
Yeah.
brother, sister, and young brother.
Okay. All right. So who is Nick's niece? Whom?
Uh, dad,
It's Mary. Okay. So Sally and Nick are brothers and sisters. Okay. So Sally is Nick's sister. So if Sally has a daughter, baby girl. So Sally has a daughter. So that means Mary, Mary is Nick's niece. Okay.
okay,
All right. And okay, this one also. This girl, this one. This girl is Nick's daughter. Yes? Right?
yes,
So, is this girl Sally's niece? Yes or no?
mm,
Is this girl Sally's niece? Yes or no?
no,
No?
um,
Why? Yes,
yeah,
because this is a girl. And Sally and Nick are brothers and sisters. So their
um,
daughters, the children. Okay, Sally, this is her niece. Nick, this is his niece. Okay?
okay,
Again, I have another question. Sally, this is Sally. Who is Sally's brother? Whom?
uh, Sally brother,
Yes, who is Sally's brother?
mm, in life,
Who is Sally's brother? It's
it, Nick,
yes, that's right. Nick is Sally's brother. Who is Nick's niece? Whom? Who is
Mary.
okay, Mary is
Mary is a niece.
yes, Nick's niece.
Niece. Niece.
Okay. This time I want you to read and answer this one. Who is
Who is Nick's niece?
Nick's niece? So who is
Um, is Mary.
very good. And this question, what is
What is your uncle's name?
okay? What is your uncle's name?
Is your name
Uncle's name is
Gu?
huh?
V-U.
Huh? The uncle's name is Nick. Yes?
Yeah,
Okay, Mary is the niece. Mary's uncle is Nick. Yes?
yeah,
Okay. So, Hung, do you have an uncle? Hung, like maybe your mommy or daddy's brother? Do you have an uncle?
yes.
Okay. How many uncles do you have?
3 uncle.
I see three uncles. Use S if there are more than one. Hung, I have three uncles. Again?
I have 3 uncles.
Okay, very good. So, Hong, we will stop until here because we don't have that much time left. So, in our next class, we will continue here on the next page. So, I hope you will remember what a niece is, what a cousin is. So, we will review also that in our next class. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, thank you so much, Hong. I'm very happy to meet you tonight, and I'm excited to have another class with you again next time. Okay?